Hi, all. You all going to do today. It's like February March 2025 0580 paper 22 is non-calculator paper. Is the original one. Okay, so yeah, this is the paper. Formulas all will be given the second page. Okay, so question number 1. Oranges cost 220 rupees per kilogram. Work out the cost of 9 kg of these oranges. So just we need to do multiply here 9 times 220 times 9, which is equal to 1980 rupees. Next question. Aryan goes on a journey. He leaves home at 11:40 and arrives at 14:18. How many hours and minutes the journey took? So which is 2 hours 38 minutes. Next, a quadrilateral has one line symmetry. The diagonals of a quadrilateral cross at right angles. Write down the mathematical name of the quadrilateral. So it's one line symmetry. So we can say this is a kite. So here is only one line symmetry. This is one line symmetry. The diagonals of the quadrilateral cross certain right angles. This one of the diagonal, another diagonal is cross. Okay, so the name we can write as kite. Next question, question 4. V equal to 4mb square. Okay, so values were given m value and p values, so we need to find the v equal to 4 times 10 times minus 3 whole square, which is 40 times 9, which is 360. Next, find the positive value of p when v equal to 3200. So the formula is v equal to 4mb square, which is v equal to 3200 equal to 4 times m equal to 2, and yeah, we need to find out p square. So 3200 equal to 8 times p square, which is 3200 over 8 equal to p square. So p square equal to, which is 400, p equal to plus or minus square root of 400. So p equal to plus or minus 20. Okay, so the answer is plus or minus 20. Okay, next question. Write this length in order of size starting with the smallest. So first we'll change into everything in meter. So first one already in meter, 2.9 centimeter will change into meter, which is 0.29 meter. So we'll divide it by 100. So 0.29. Next, which this is 0.032 meter. This is 0.02 meter. So we'll arrange now the first one 0. This is the smallest one. This is 1, and this is second, next, third, and fourth. So we'll arrange in smallest to bigger one. So 0.0002 kilometer, and the next one 2.9 centimeter, and the next 0.03 meter, and 32 millimeter. Okay, so we move on. Next question. The next question is a trapezium, so we need to find in the area. The area formula. So first we'll add parallel side, both the side will add, make it half times height. So parallel side here 9 plus 15 over 2 times the height is going to be 8. So 9 plus 15, which is 24. So this we can simplify as a 4 times 4, which is 96 centimeters square. Next one, we have to write the inequality. So left side is not covered. So minus 3 less than x less than or equal to 4. So here when it's a dark, so we'll write less than or equal to. So it's included. So left side is not included. Next question. Priyanka plays a game in which she can win, lose, or draw. There are three chances. The probability is given. Complete the table. So when you add up all probabilities equal to 1. So we'll add 0.3 plus 0.25, which is 0.55. Take away from 1 because total probability is 1. So 1 minus 0.55, which is 0.45. Next, complete the table. So we're done the first part. Priyanka plays a game so 120 times. Uh, Work out the expected number of games she wins. She wins 0.3. So 120 times 0.3, which is 36. Next question, by writing each number, correct one significant figure. Work out the estimate value of d. So d equal to everything we need to round up by one significant figure, which is 2 times 10 square over 8, which is 2 times 100 over 8. So square root, which is 2 times 200 over 8 equal to which is 25 times. So d equal to 5 is the answer. So the answer is 5. Next. Here three angles are given. Then the ratio will be given 3 ratio 4 ratio 5. So show that polygon C has so all three angles are three different polygons A, B, C. Okay. Show that the polygon C has twice the number of sides of polygon B. So first we'll find out what is A, B, C. All three angles equal to 360 degrees. So A will take us, yeah, so we'll take us, yeah, 3x plus 4x plus 5x equal to 360 degree. So 12x equal to 360, x equal to 30 degree. So from here we'll find out angle A equal to 3x, which is equal to 90 degree, and angle B equal to 100, yeah, which is 4x equal to 120 degree, and angle C equal to which is 5x equal to 5 times 30, 150 degree. So what we need to prove, polygon C twice polygon of polygon B. So we'll find out polygon B, how many sides are there. So first we go for polygon B. So polygon B, the interior angle is, see, one of the interior angle is B. So angle B equal to 120 degree. So this is the interior angle. So exterior angle, we'll find out exterior angle is 180 degree minus 120 degree, which is 60 degree. So number of sides is easy to find out. Number of sides, which is 360 divided by 60. Exterior angle, which is equal to 6 sides. So next we go for polygon C. Polygon C, here angle polygon C is angle C. So C equal to 150 degree. So this is the interior angle. So we'll find out the exterior angle. The same thing here, 180 minus 150 degree, which is 30 degree. So number of sides equal to 360 divided by 30, which is equal to 12. So the question we need to prove, so here we saw polygon is twice the number of polygon B. That's correct. So polygon C is 12 sides, which is equal to 2 times 6. So which is equal to 2 times C. 6 is number of sides of B. So polygon C number of sides. So we proved. So we'll add the sides of polygon C and we write sides of polygon C. Okay, so the next one. Here company sells item either is a website or in shops. Website or in shops. Okay, so the dark one is website. Yeah, dark one is website and the rest will be, so until here is website, the rest is going to be shop. The top until top is going to be the, so each one is same. So the dark one is going to be the website, the above one is shop. In April, 17 out of 20 of the company sales were in the on the website on the grid. Draw the bar of the graph. 17 out of 20 will make us a percentage. 17 out of 20 times 5 times 5, which is 85 over 100. So 85 percentage on website in April. So April is here, so here to here 85 percentage, that means until here. So 85 percentage going to be on the website. Yeah, so this all the dark one. The rest going to be in shop. Okay, so next what we need to find, one is done. In February the company had sales of 3.5 million. Work out the value of shop. Shop means the white one in February. Yeah, from above this is shop. So 60 is website, 40 percentage is going to be shop. So we'll calculate 40 percentage of 40 by 100 times 3.5 million, which is, yeah, this is 4 over 10 times 3.5. So here this is 2, this is 5, this is going to be 0.7, which is 1.4 million. Next, in May the company had sales of 6 million. In the June the company had sales of 7.5 million. Find the percentage increase. So 7.5 minus 6, which is 1.5. The increase is 1.5 million over the original price is going to be 6 times 100. So when we simplify, this is 3 times 2 is 6, this is 50, and 3, this one is 0.5. So total 25 percentage increases happen. Next, in 2024 the company had total sales 52 million. This was the increase of 30 percentage of total sales in 2023. Work out the total sales in 23. So 2023 will take as a x times, so increases happen, which is will take 1.3 equal to total 52 million. So x equal to 52 over 1.3. So multiply at 10. So we'll remove the decimal, 520 divided by 13, which is, yeah, 4 times. So it become 40 million, the answer. Next one, write as a single fraction in this simplest form. So first we'll make denominator is equal. So 4, 8 and 12. So the LCM is going to be 24. So we'll make 24. We need to multiply a 6 with the first term, so 6x plus 3 with the second term is 9x, and minus, so third one we have to multiply as a 2 into x plus 2, which is equal to 6 plus 9, so 15x. Yeah, 15x minus 2x minus 4 over 24. So 15 minus 2x, which is 13x minus 4 over 24. Okay, next one, factorize. 3x into a plus 4y minus, here next two term y is common, so a plus 4y, because we took minus as common. So here both a plus 4y is common, so we'll bring a plus 4y. So rest is going to be 3x minus y. So a plus 4y 3x minus y. Next question, question 13. Here the diagram shows a cylinder with radius r and the height is 16. A sphere has radius is 3 centimeter. The volume of the sphere is equal to the volume of cylinder. Okay, find the value of r. So next we will draw a sphere as well. The radius is going to be for the sphere, here is 3. First we go for volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. The formula will be given, so you can check the formula. Okay, next volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, next both the volumes are equal, so cylinder, so we'll substitute now. Pi into radius is still r square times the height is going to be 16 equal to 4 by 3 into pi into, here radius is given for sphere, which is 3 cube. 3 cube. Okay, so the simplify, will remove pi and pi here. Okay, so r square times 16 equal to 4 by 3 into 3 cube. So 1 3 and 1 3 can cancel, become a square. So r square times 16 equal to 4 times 9. R square equal to 36 over 16. So r square equal to yeah, so we can simplify, which is uh, 4 times table 9 over 4. So r equal to square root of 9 over 4, r equal to 3 by 2. So the answer is 3 by 2 or 1.5. Next question 14 is a circle question. Here find the angle of, some given angles were given, so we need to find the angle of BCD. So we go for BCD, this entire angle. Okay, ABCD is cyclic because all 4 points on the all vertices on the circle, so cyclic. So angle A okay, we need to write here. So angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degree because cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic opposite angles, the sum is 180 degree. So here is 180 minus 110, which is equal to 70. So the answer is 70 degree. Next, find the angle of DBC. 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 we need to find out this angle. This full angle is 70 degree. We done already. So next here, yeah, so this CD is the base angle. From the same base angle subtended for these two angles. Here, wait, this is 70 degree. The base is going to be, here is 45, so here also is 45 degree, because the same base BC is the base. So angle subtended, this angle and this angle subtended from the same base, so it's 45. So now we take triangle BCD. So I'll take angle DBC equal to 180 degree minus 45 plus 70 degree. We'll take away the other two angles, we'll get this angle, so which is 180 degree minus 115 degree, which is equal to 65 degree. Yeah, so this here answer is going to be 65 degree. Next, to find the angle of DCG. So we need to find out this angle. Okay, so yeah, these two angles are equal. This is 65, we said. Here is 65. Here also going to be 65, which is alternative angles. So this is going to be 65 degrees, so alternative. Okay, next question 15. Point A has coordinates -4, 1 and BA is given. Find the coordinates of. So here A coordinate, here is a B coordinate. So A coordinate is going to be -4, 1. So this is A and B. So here they didn't give AB, so they gave BA. From here, yeah, point B. So from A to, see, this is saying B to A. So we have to opposite B, we need to add. So this is 5, 12. We have to, because BA is -5 and -12. So when we change into AB, so it's negative of BA. So we have to multiply negative, so will become positive. So -4 plus 5, which is 1, and this is 13. So next one, point C has coordinates 5 and -2, and we need to find CA. C to A, again we need to go for back is yeah, it's a back C to A, so it's -5 and which is -9, and yeah, -2 -1, yeah, 2 and 1, which is 3. So -9 and 3. Next question, EF equal to 3 times BA. So EF equal to 3 times BA is given already in the top, -5 and -12. So that is BA, yeah, -5 and -12, which is equal to -15 and -36. So we need to find the magnitude of EF, equal to square root of -15 square plus -36 square, which is equal to square root of 225 plus 1296, which is 1521 equal to 39. So 39 is the answer here. Okay, next question. The stem and leaf diagram shows the mass of each 13 packets. Yeah, the values are given. Write the interquartile range. As we know, interquartile range is quartile 3 minus quartile 1. So how to find quartile 3? Quartile 3 is 3/4 of total data, which is 13. So here um 3 times 13, which is 39 over 4. So we'll get 9 point something. So we'll take 10 the data. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 51. So first 51 minus next in which is q1 equal to 1/4 of total data 13. So 13 divided by 4, which is um 3 point something. So we'll take fourth data. 1 2 1 2 3 fourth data is 40. So the answer is 11. Next question, two of the packets are chosen as random. Find the probability that one packet has mass of more than 50 gram, another one has packet of mass less than 50 gram. So 50 grams, above 50 is 1 2 3 4. Then below 50 is going to be 9. Total 30 is because below 50 is going to be 9. So probability of first one is will take above 50 and below 50 plus probability of below first is below 50 and above 50. So first above 50 is going to be 4 by 13 times 9 by yeah 12. Already we took one, so left only 12 will be there, so 9 by 12 plus here first below 50, which is 9 by 13 times 4 by 12, because already we took, okay, 9 by 12. So when we calculate, both are same, so 2 times 4 by 13 times 9 by 12. So this is 1 time, this is 3 times. So what we write here, 9 by 15. So this 3 and this 9 we can cancel as 3 times. So 2 of 3 by 13, which is 6 by 13 is the answer. Next one, work out this the value given the fraction. So first one, as it is, there is no change. 5 by 9. First we'll calculate only 0.28. 0.288 is the recurring, so we'll take x equal to 0.28. First we multiply by 10, so 2.8. Next we multiply 100 here because we need all decimals, so which is 28.8. Now we subtract these two equations, so 100x minus 10x equal to 28.8, not minus 2.8. So when we subtract, all the decimal will be gone, so the left will be left side is 90x equal to 28 minus 2, 26. So x equal to 26 by 90. So when we go for simplest, 13 by 45. So we got this answer, so we'll add with the first fraction. So 5 over 9 plus the second part is 13 by 45. So we'll make it LCM, which is 45. So here we have to multiply a 5 and 5, which is 25 plus 13. Answer is 38 over 45. So the answer is here 38 over 45. So next question 18. The quadrilateral ACDE formed by two right angle triangle ABE and BCD. AC equal to 17 centimeter, A equal to 18 centimeter, BD equal to 6 centimeter. Show that CD equal to 10. So CD here we need to prove here to here is going to be 10. For that we need this BD is there, but we don't know the BC. So we need to find the BC. This one we need to find. Okay. So we need to find BC. For that we need AB. So we can take away from 17. So I'll take left side triangle, which is ABE triangle ABE. Oh, I do no, I adjacent and yeah, socket O will use. So guys, CH and TOA. So here adjacent and hypotenuse, because this is when we take this adjacent for 60 degree, this is a hypotenuse. So here cos 60 degree equal to adjacent AB over hypotenuse is 18. So 18 into cos 60 degree, cos 60, which is 1 by 2, equal to AB by 18. So here 9. So 18 half it 9. So I'll bring this. Um, so already I took the 18 here. So by mistake I remember. So the answer is AB. So AB I got, which is here to here is 9. So this 9 take away from 17, the left will get. So I'll get here is 8. BC is going to be 8. So next I'll take triangle BCD. It's a right angle triangle, so I can use Pythagoras rule. Hypotenuse square CD square equal to 8 square plus 6 square, which is 64 plus 36, which is 100. So CD square, CD equal to square root of 100, actually plus or minus is there. So which is equal to plus or minus 10. So we cannot take negative because length can't be negative. So which is only 10 we proved. Actually we need to show that CD equal to 10 we proved. Next one, given the find the perimeter of the quadrilateral ACDE. So ACDE, the entire thing. Yeah, A2C and C2D, and yeah, this entire length, and here, and yeah, here as well, this entire perimeter. So for that, on other side we don't have this ED, this line we don't have, so we need to find the ED. For that, again I'll go for triangle ABE. Triangle ABE. This time I don't want the adjacent, I want opposite, so I'll choose sine 60. Sine 60 is, yeah, 18 and opposite. Okay, sine 60 equal to BE, opposite side, over the hypotenuse is 18. So here sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 equal to BE by 18. So root 3 by 2 times 18 equal to BE. So this is going to be 9. BE equal to 9 root 3. I got BE equal to 9 root 3. B is the entire length. B is the entire length here to here. So which I got 9 root 3. So here only, here to here is 9 root, sorry, 6, yeah, 9 root 3 minus 6 for this length. Okay, so I got ED. Now I can do the perimeter. I need to add all the sides. So here is 10. So perimeter 17 plus 10 plus 18 plus 9 root 3 minus 6. Okay, perimeter equal to, so I'm going to add all, which is 18 plus 17 plus 10 plus 9 root 3 minus 6. Here the answer is 18 plus 17 is 20, Yeah, 35. Then 10 minus 6 is 4, 39. 39 plus 9 root 3. So the final answer is 39 plus 9 root 3, which is the same form of this what they asked, p plus k root q. Next, question 19. First, the Venn diagram. So we need to shade A union B union C a dash. So other than that, yeah, so A union B union C. So all three circles together. Other than that, all the outside is going to be, we need to shade. We should not touch this A, B, C. So all inside the box, all outside. Yeah, so all the other side. Next question, simplify. 300 and square root of 48. This one we can write 3 times 100 plus 48. We can take 16 times 3. So when I bring it 100 out, it's become 10. 10 root 3 plus 4 root 3, which is equal to 14 root 3. The answer is 14 root 3. Next, here rationalize the denominator. So we need to multiply its opposite sign to up and down. So 2 minus root 7 over 2 minus root 7. So numerator is 9 into 2 minus root 7 over here a plus b minus a minus b, a square minus b square. So 2 square minus root 7 whole square. So 9 into 2 minus root 7 over this is 4 minus 7, which is equal to 9 into 2 minus root 7 over negative 3. So we can simplify this and this 3. So the answer is negative 3 of 2 minus root 7. So we'll simplify. I'll multiply inside negative x plus 3 root 7. So the final answer going to be 3 root 7 negative 6. Okay, next one. Write down the coordinates of the point where the graph is y equal to 5x minus 3 crosses the y-axis, so x equal to 0. When you put x equal to 0, y equal to negative 3. Next, here point 1 comma 7, b is the point. 5 comma 15, find the equation of perpendicular bisector of AB. First, we'll find the gradient of this line. Gradient equal to m equal to, so y2 minus y1, 15 minus 7, 15 minus 7 over 5 minus 1, which is equal to 8 by 4, which is equal to 2. So now we'll find the new line that also perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means the midpoint. So we'll find out the midpoint of these two lines. So first we add up x-axis. So 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5 over 2. Y-axis 15 plus 7, 15 plus 7 by 2. So which is 6 by 2 and 22 by 2. So which is 3 comma 11. So I got the midpoint. So the line passes through this point, and so we'll find out the new line y equal to mx plus c. That's a perpendicular is given. Perpendicular means a line, two lines are perpendicular here and here. This line gradient is m equal to, we'll write like a 2. Then the other line, the perpendicular line going to be, the gradient is going to be negative reciprocal. So negative and upside down, which is minus 1 by 2. So here also we write negative 1 by 2 of x plus c. So passing through the point 3 comes the midpoint, so bisector. So 3 comma 11. So just substitute here. Y equal to 11. 11 minus 1 by 2 times 3 plus c. which is 11 equal to negative 3 by 2 plus c, bring 3 by 2 this side, so plus 3 by 2 equal to c, make LCM, which is 22 plus 3, 25 over 2. So we got c, so just substitute this equation, that's it. So y equal to negative 1 by 2x plus the c value, just we need to put it here, which is 25 over 2. That's the answer. Next question, a curve has the equation, so x cube plus x cube minus x, the curve of the stationary point at 1 comma 3 and minus 5 comma 27. Find the coordinate of the other stationary point. So we need dy by dx derivative 3x square plus 2x minus 1. So the gradient going to be 0, 3x square plus 2x minus 1, which is equal to, so when we factorize, we'll get 3x minus 1 and x plus 1. So 3x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1 by 3, and x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to negative 1. So this point already they have done here. So we need, now we have to get the point of negative 1. So x-axis negative 1, y-axis, just put this negative 1 in the given equation. So negative 1 cube plus negative 1 square minus x, minus of minus 1, so which is y equal to, so we get the answer minus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 1 cancels 1. So 1, negative 1 comma 1 is the next stationary point, negative 1 and 1. Yeah, so the continuation of the before question, 1 comma 3 and 5 comma 27. So we know 1 comma 3, it's here, so approximate somewhere here, 1 by 3 and 5 over 27, because x-axis positive, y-axis negative is happened in the fourth quadrant. So already we found another turning point, which is negative 1 comma 1, negative 1 and 1. This is the second quadrant, negative 1 comma 1. As we know, the first is a positive cubic equation, so it's starting from here. So it goes here, and this place it will turn. Is like this point going to be the minimum. Okay. Next question. This equation x cube equal to x square minus x equal to k has fewer than 3 solutions. Find the range of the possible value of k. So this k equal to y. So we need to find that value only. So check the y equal to 1 and y equal to negative 5 over 27. So here, yeah, this value is either is below this minus 5 by, so k is less than minus 5 by 27 and k is greater than or equal to 1 less than or equal to. Either we can write this way, or we can write open bracket minus infinity to minus 5 by 27 is a closed bracket union and two different inequalities, so it's a closed bracket, so 1 to infinity. So this answer for this question. Okay, so next 23. Simplify x square power, this is 3 by 2. So x square whole power 3 by 2 over 4 power 3 by 2. So x, which is x square times 3 by 2 over, so the 4 power 1 by 2 whole cube we can write. Power 1 by 2, which is square root, so numerator 2 got cancelled, is x cube over here 4 square root is 2 cube. So the answer is x cube over 8. So the next question going to be 16 power x times this, I'll bring it up, so it become 2 power negative x equal to 4 power x plus 3. So here, this one I can write 2 power 4. 2 power 4 whole power x times 2 power negative x. Here also I'll write 2 square power x plus 3. So all the base become 2. Now 2 power 4x times 2 power negative x equal to 2 power 2x plus 6. Left side 2x 4x minus x equal to 2 power 2x plus 6. So what become, sorry, this is minus x. So 2 power 3x equal to 2 power 2x plus 6. Now comparing both the sides, both the bases are same. So we can write 3x equal to 2x plus 6. Bring 2x to left side. 3x minus 2x equal to 6. So x equal to 6. 6 is the answer.